What is up, guys? Welcome to the video. So I've come across another beautiful abandoned place to come check out. So I wanted to bring you guys along with me, check it out, because I didn't even know this was here, but I saw it as I was driving down the road, and it's just hidden. I don't know if you can see that, but it's hidden beyond all the brush, all the just overgrown nature. So I'm gonna definitely, I want to go check it out. So I can't let this pass me up. This is one of those things where you just have to do it in the moment. So I turned around and parked just down the road, but I had to come check this out. So I'm bringing you guys with me. Let's go. So it's all back in there, but we've got this gate to the way to get there, and there's ponds on each side. So I'm not quite sure what I'm looking at when I get in there. It looks like it's gonna be very treacherous, but I think we can go around right here. But let's go find out what's in here. Ugh. Already everything's getting me. Not exactly sure. Ow. Fuck. Okay. So I think this would be the main way to get there. Not sure. This is very, very sketchy. Maybe this way? Let's see. No. It would have to be this way. So this time I'm having to dodge not only spiders, but thorns. And I'm getting stuck on everything already. Well, guys, this one might be one for the books. I'm not exactly sure what it looks like. It gets to be 6 feet deep in here, so I'm not entirely sure if I'll be able to make it, but we're gonna try. Oh my god. Okay, fuck it. Wish I had like a machete to bushwhack my way through. Ow, shit. Oh no, this is the scary part. I don't know if I can make it through this. That's taller than my head. Oh, that sucks. Okay. Got a house over there. Hopefully they're not watching. I don't know if I can make it through that. That's gonna cause some very... I think I'm at a stopping point. I don't know if I can make it through to there. Shit. Wonder if there was a way around. Because I don't know. I don't know if I can make it through. It's gonna be a lot of treacherous scratches and painful stuff. Let's backtrack real quick. See, you can see like the pond and stuff over there. Okay. Creating my own little path. Ow. Alright. Well, it's definitely abandoned, that's for sure. Because nobody has made it through here in quite some time. Let's walk down this way. Looks kind of like maybe there's something way here. Oh, I gotta remember this is a swamp. We might be able to get through this way. Remember guys, where there's a will, there's a way. And if you're dedicated enough like me, you'll find a way into these places. The only problem is wondering if there's people in these places. Dude, this ground is really squishy. Okay. It's possible we might make it. Looks like I found kind of a path. All right. Go this way around. Found like an outhouse or something. Shit. Okay. Ugh. Oh, we're close by. All right, we might actually make it. Ugh. It's definitely gonna be a treacherous walk back for sure. Let's come see what this is. It's an interesting little shack. Hello, hello. Oh, that's pretty intense. Overgrown shack. So yeah, if you notice there's like swamp everywhere, so we kind of waded through like swamp area. But here we go. Let's see if we can't make it up through this way. Now, as long as there's nothing hiding within these trees, I think we'll be okay. But okay, I think we found our way in. Or not. Ow, fuck. Damn it. Sorry guys, had a bit of technical difficulties. It's dropping shit. Hello, hello. Wonder if that's the way in. I'm not sure. How the fuck would I get in that? Maybe through there? I don't know. Yeah, let's try it. Hello? Anyone in here? Oh, I'm being wrapped up. Oh man, okay. Please don't be hiding in there. What's this say? Keep my eye open on that. They can swim, but they can't hide. Okay, so I don't like the feeling I got in there. Oh. Okay, so there was an area in there that not gonna lie, That place gave me chills. Chills beyond chills. So, you know when you get to a place and you feel very unsafe? That's how I felt. So, we're gonna call this one a no-go. I was inside, and just the vibe that I got while in there wasn't the best feeling. But it's there. It's there, and we made it inside, so. But strangely, I keep checking. Oh, dude, like, I really got the feeling that where I was, that there was somebody just like hidden. And I don't know if it was just an energy or if there's a real person there. I'm not gonna take that chance because no one knows where I'm at. It's been a while since I've come to find a place and gotten the energy of fear. As I was going in there, my camera shut off. But I'm not entirely sure I got the entrance of me walking in on video. Never had a moment where I've gone to a spot and I've gotten fucking terrified of being inside. Got some guy parked up here, kind of near me, hoping he's not gonna bother me. Cool. So guys, that's the only downfall about getting abandoned spots out here, is we've got these like extremely thorny bushes that grow to be like 7 to 8 feet tall and just overtake areas. So like when you're trying to go check out these abandoned spots, you gotta watch out. Like I think I got like torn up just from trying to make it out that way. I'm not gonna stop trying to get into spots. That one was just one that once I got in, there was very like heavy energy. So strangely, there was a couch tipped over, as you saw. Not sure if the video caught everything, but there was a closet, and I felt like somebody was hiding in the closet, and I wasn't about to like go in and get stabbed or anything like that, because like I said, nobody knows where I'm at. So, you know, I'm gonna just get back in the truck and continue on the journey. If I find something else, we'll find it and we'll explore it. See you in the next video.